खाइए किसी तरह से खत्म कर कोशिश कर रहे कोई तकलीफ नहीं हो, आराम से खाइए खत्म करिए. इज फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट, इज ट्राइंग टू पुश इट. बहुत अच्छा बना है. नहीं, इट्स वेरी वेल डन. You can eat this rice. You can eat a lot because it's not very heavy. It's not very heavy and it has a taste which makes you feel more hungry, I think. चांगलं भरपूर खाऊ शकतात. 2 plates तर easily. In my house, in my father's house, I used to cook it. We have such a big thing. You see, all traditional families had huge big, such a big thing. And was cooked, and then first day all the family used to have the food, and the next day everybody would send their tiffin carriers to have the remaining. असली मुगलई खाना जो है वो सीखना चाहिए. ये सब में वही हम लोग खाते हैं ना, यूपी में वही खाया जाता है. और दूसरे ये जैसे आपने प्रॉन्स बनाए थे, प्रॉन्स की भी जो करी है वो भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी. उसका रेसिपी लिखा दूंगी मैं कैसे बनती, बहुत बढ़िया. और मसाले भूनने की बात है, बस मसाला भुना चाहिए. ये एक खास चीज़ है अपने इंडियन खाने में, मसाला भुनना चाहिए, रॉ नहीं रहना चाहिए. यू सी दी इंडियन कुकिंग हैज़ ओनली वन प्रॉब्लम. यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू फ्राई the masala. There should be no raw feeling, as you saw that. If it's raw, then it's finished. It is that, it really, that's very important part.
Like what we did.
Yeah, we did it, yes. Khammangvalam. Moreover, certain things like, we use haldi, see. So haldi has to be done very well before anything else. Otherwise, it can make the food quite bitter. See, so all these things are, this is to be learnt. That's what it is, Indian food is. Even if I give the recipe, it may not come out unless I show you how you do it exactly. Because you see, Western cooking is very systematic, I think. There's no much of a, I mean, not fry, you do not go on seeing, smelling. Yes, it's not so much, yeah. Simple. My daughters picked up Chinese very well, and they picked up Western food very well. But Indian food, certain things like pulao, they say, Mother, we can't make like you. Then kebab, they say, they can't make like. Many things they say they just can't. Keema, another thing. Her husband is very fond of mince meat I make. So she says, I can't make like my mother. Even cholas, things. You see, these, something you have certain things. करेले है, ये है, वो है, भिंडी है, तुरई है, सब चीज़ है. एक बना के आदत हो जाती है. I was always very fond of cooking. So, see, when you are fond of cooking, you do all kinds of experiments also. And just whatever is in the house, you have to cook. You see, today we couldn't get the black jeera, and that's important. But we never missed it. Never missed it in this. So whatever is in the house, you must know how to cook. That's how you experiment and you get good results. But you must actually have the full judgment about the taste of particular thing. How much will it be? Now, this say, we had this dahi, what you call yogurt. Now, we wanted to put some thick cream, so we didn't have, so we put sour cream. So it was little sour. So we put some honey. Now, then honey was all right, but still I felt there is little bit of not up to the point. So I said, have you got cashew nuts? No. Then I said, have you got anything else? So they had, what did you have? Walnuts. So we just powdered it a little bit and put it. So it tastes very well. It just kills that sourness. It's very simple. But you must know what is needed when this is missing that. But in English food, it is not like that. It's so precise, you see. If you have to make the cake, you weigh it, put it so much, put it there, the cake is there. Yeah. But I think the finest cakes and the best known cakes, they must be done by some individuals only. They must be having those secrets with them. Because it's all right to make a general cake like that, but to make a very fine quality cake, I'm sure there must be a very individual thing, isn't it?
In a lot of European food, they make the dish and then they taste it, and then they put the spices.
That's how it is. At least for salt we have to taste, because everywhere I find salt is very different. Indian salt is very different from English salt. English chilies are hot, surprisingly, very hot, and the salt is no good. Go on pouring salt, God knows what it is. So, I don't know why Indian salt, maybe the sea is not very happy with them, I think. I just don't know. Salt is absolutely there's no salt in it. God knows what happens to the salt in England. This is better salt you have. And the chilies in England are so sharp, chilies. Here they were not so. I put 20 chilies each pot, 20 chilies. But 20 chilies for 10 kilos. The chilies were dissolved, you never saw them anywhere. But didn't feel that much. 20 chilies for 10 kilos. But at home when I cook, I don't have so many people to help me. Only one servant or two servants, and I do most of it myself. But they are experts now, so you see they do everything ready, everything, just I have to go a little bit. But despite the fact it was quite, the water was falling off and the pots were little small. See, if to cook it in two places, then it happens like that. It's all right. Let everybody enjoy. So, thank you very much, all of you. May God bless you. I'm really feeling very satisfied. Whenever I have a chance to cook, you must allow me to cook. I'll be very happy. I actually love to cook, really, I love it. Enjoy it very much. And I have no tension, nothing, I just do it with great pleasure. You must have seen that, I have great pleasure. There's no tension at all. Shall I, sir? I'll take your leave, Warren.
Thank you, Mother, for coming.
Oh,
Such a beautiful day. What more could we ever ask for?
You gave me a lot of rest today.
Give it Calvary play. No. Just tourist spot.
All right, good night.
Good night. Good night.
Heather.